Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ESET account and device subscription status. To verify your ESET account, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the ESET official website URL in the address bar and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the My ESET option at the top right corner of the page. Click on My ESET to proceed to the login screen. Enter your email address associated with your ESET account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the appropriate box. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. After entering your login credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your subscription details, including the expiry date and subscription type. To check your device subscription status, navigate to the Products section in the dashboard. In this section, all your registered devices will be displayed along with their respective statuses. If you would like more details about a specific device, click on its name for additional information. To verify that a device is active, ensure that it displays as active next to its name. If a device is not active, consider reinstalling the ESET software or refreshing the device connection. After verifying your account and device statuses, log out of your ESET account for security purposes. To log out, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Log Out. Now you have successfully verified your ESET account and device subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.